Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox the diecast scale model of a very famous Indian taxi. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, don't think this is the car. Here's the product. The Centy Toys Wheel Force Queen 70s taxi. You can see this is the Kaali Peeli taxi from Maharashtra. This product comes with pullback action and openable door, and it's a 3 plus. This has an MRP of rupees 346. So it tells about the Queen 70s. This toy pays homage to the iconic Kaali Peeli Mumbai taxi. It originated in the 1960s and it is still there till 2023-24. So let's unbox it right now. We have unboxed the product and here it is, the die-cast scale model of Premier Padmini taxi version, the Kaali Peeli. This is made by Centy Toys, made in India, Queen 70s. This is a 1:32 scale model and it comes with great detailed body. Just look at it, classic MTC 9211. This also comes with a carrier on the roof and the charge rate thing. You see here, right? This die-cast model comes with steel rim alloys and steel mirrors on both sides. This car comes with two openable front doors and has a well-detailed interior inside. It's a right-hand drive classic style interior with a single seat, front seat and back seat. It's really very beautiful. Now let's look the other Kaali Peeli. It is of the Hindustan ambassador. We have already unboxed it and check the description to watch the video. So if you like my video, please click on the like button and share my video to your 10 friends. This die-cast scale model comes with a pullback action. Now let's test it on road. Subscribe my channel for more new awesome videos and click on the notification bell to receive notification of my new videos. If you want to buy this product, please check the description for the purchase link. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.